So, tell me, baby, how do I look?
Charming as always. Baby, you're so cute.
Oh, thank you.
More.
Oh, honey.
More.
I'll just be gone for a few hours, okay? I promise you.
Babe, I'll be traveling by the weekend and I won't be around for a while. I just want to have enough of you.
Don't worry, look. There'll be more than enough time for us to catch up when I get back, okay?
Promise. Okay. So you go now and ace your interview.
Wish me luck.
Good luck.
Thank you, baby. Honestly, I can't wait for us to relocate to Europe. Oh, I can't.
And have the best family, the best of our lives, our dream family, with our kids running around.
You know this.
Oh, baby.
Honey, let me hurry. I'm already late, huh? I'll see you later, huh?
Sure. Love you.
Love you too, honey.
All the best.
Thank you.
Welcome, baby. How was it?
Could you at least let me sit down?
How about now? You were supposed to tell me over the phone, yet insisted on getting home first. Did you ace it?
No, I think I did. But the visa was not approved. Honestly, I don't know what happened or why, but I know for sure that I'm never giving up.
I'm so sorry. But don't worry, our time will come. Come on, don't be sad. See, life always gives us a second chance and we will get ours.
What would I ever do without you?
You know that every day I intentionally thank God for gifting me the best husband in the whole wide world. Kamso, I see you. I see your efforts, your dedication. I see your hard work, everything you do just to keep this family in one piece. And I'm grateful. So why wouldn't I stand by you all the way?
Well, I guess I'm going to defer my education for 1 year and try again next year.
Now that's the spirit! So, Mr. Kamsochi Jones, what would you want for dinner? Do you want to eat before you eat or?
Okay, how about we do the kitchen food first?
Wherever.
Babe, hold on. I'm trying to sleep.
Why are you doing this? You promised me tonight.
I know. I'm sorry. I've had a very long day. You know now. You saw me now.
You're doing this to me now. I'm going for the summit this weekend.
Honey, there are 4 days between now and the weekend. I promise you I'll make it up to you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
My friend. You're not a married woman.
I beg you.
Mrs. Jones.
There's a problem. It's almost as though Kamso is falling out of love with me. He's no longer who he used to be.
Who he used to be? It's not that you've lived with him before now.
Lade, have you forgotten that I visited him frequently while we were dating? Yeah, I know that my job doesn't really afford me the luxury of time, but every chance I got, I was here with him.
I know. You can't say he's falling out of love when you've not even spent a week straight at his place. My friend, he could be overwhelmed by the relocation thing not working out. Or he's being careful. Remember you guys agreed not to have kids yet.
Noladi, I thought that was the problem. Besides, we had the conversation. That's why we always use protection. So the kids thing is out of the question. Besides, I didn't tell you he wasn't making love with me. I said he snaps out of it quicker than normal when I'm still pumping.
Listen to me. I think you guys need to resit and have a proper conversation about this.
He doesn't even see it as a big deal. Mama dear, I'm in trouble. Hey, Mama dear, I need help.
Oh yeah, calm down. My friend, are you sure you need help?
Waka. My friend.
Marcus, Zara is a busy woman. Very, very busy. Every now and then she gets free days, a few days off. However, before long, sometimes the few days don't even complete, they will call her and say she come back work. The thing is, whenever she has those free days, she wants to spend every single moment of those days with me, and I appreciate it. I love it. However, Baba, if I get my own life, I get things where I want to do, where they try to achieve.
Dogo, you have to take charge. Do you hear me? You have to take charge of your wife. Look, if you ask me any little time, whether hours or days you have with that lady, you make it worthwhile. No, it's the truth. Will I lie for you? You have to make it worthwhile. Blow her mind.
I'm relocating my family to the UK.
You know that.
You know that the last visa application, it didn't work. However, I found a school in Canada where I can go and do my postgraduate diploma.
Oh, really?
Yes. However, I'm going to have to study really, really, really hard for it. So you see, these are the issues. This is what I'm talking about. I love my wife. I love Zara. I only want what is best for her.
But if this love you're speaking about is as true as you say, then you have to find more time. Less excuses, my friend. Less excuses, more time. Look, everything else is secondary.
Marcus.
Yes, now.
Taking care of my family and securing their financial future is primary, not secondary, please.
You shall understand what I'm trying to say.
I understand you. No wahala. I'll work on it.
Come ahead. That baby call that is in the office giving you green light. How far?
I have to tell her that you can't walk. We should know this.
You serve her breakfast?
But I better serve her breakfast than to serve Zara breakfast. How you see her now? One more bottle.
Please.
Oh yeah, no.
Tell that guy that he should not put that lime inside this thing.
Which a guy, no way.
Don't
cost me. Look me, cost me.
Oh yeah, don't put lime, I beg.
What's the celebration?
Honey, I know that our love life has been a bit of a mess. And that's putting it lightly. I've been so focused on chasing the future that I've lost sight of what is right in front of me. The most important thing in my life. So, moving forward, I'm trying to remedy that and course correct. So, to us.
To us. I think my body just adjusted to the fact that he's no longer meeting my emotional needs.
Look, my friend, You just need to readjust your mind and you have your man back.
Oh, nothing changes, Joe. Yesterday, with all the mood he set up and everything, he ended up leaving me hanging.
Are you serious? So what are you going to do now?
If I knew, would I be having this conversation with you? I just want to be happy.
You'll be happy.
I just want to be happy.
It's okay.
Mom. Hello, Mom. How are you?
I'm all right. How are you and your husband?
We're doing fine, Mom, but he's still at work.
Sarah, your father and I are not happy. It's been 2 months into your traditional wedding. You and Romeo have refused to make a move about legalizing your union. What is wrong with you kids?
It's not like that.
What is not so? Tell me.
Nothing. Mom, we've just been busy with work, that's all.
Your father and I work too, remember? Yet we make time for the important things in our lives. You don't have an excuse. Ask counsel to call him as soon as possible to give us a date.
All right, Mom, he will.
Are you okay?
Yes, I've filled in all the required documents. How long does the processing take? Okay, well, thank you very much. I will call you back if I have any other inquiries. Huh? Do have a great day, you too. Bye. Ah, babe, this is absolutely brilliant. Yes. Babe, guess what? I finally filled in the required documents for my scholarship at the University of British Columbia. So, I hope you're ready. 2 weeks from now, we're off to Canada. Okay? Honestly, I can't wait. Change our lives for good. Change everything. Like, start all over again. Have a great life. I mean, look. Just look at Vancouver. Look at it. The beautiful sights and sounds, the waterfronts, well, the ocean fronts, the lush forests, everything. Imagine starting a family in a place like this, huh? Ah, babe, I know you're going to love it. Absolutely love it. Ah, babe. Like, just imagine what it's going to be like, in Vancouver. Just imagine it. Huh? The environment, the weather, the people, everything. Ah, man, honestly, so much to look forward to. I'm so excited. Babe, what's up with the sudden mood swings? Everything okay?
Sudden mood swing. That's why I have been like this for days in your house and you don't notice it. You
Yeah, but I just... Okay. Talk to me. What's going on? I mean, come on. You used to be able to talk to me about anything.
Are you ever here to listen? That's why you ever here to listen.
Okay, I'm here now. I'm listening. Talk to me. What's up?
I lost the AMG deal.
What?
I'm telling you everything I did.
Ah, come on. Huh? After everything you put into that? Like, wait, did anybody say anything about, why that happened?
Nothing. No one said anything. I guess the powers that be just gave it to someone else. That's not all my efforts.
Honey, it's okay. It's okay. Don't worry yourself so much about it. Maybe talk to your dad. I'm sure that he can use his influence to, change something.
You think if I could, I wouldn't have done that? Is that what you think? Can't you, you're so selfish. All you think about is yourself, your dreams, your aspiration. You don't even care about me. You don't even know if I'm here.
Honey, how can you say a thing like that when all I've ever done is, just work hard to try and secure our future?
What future? What future is secure when you're losing the present? So tell me, since we got married, when was the last time you satisfied my sexual needs like you used to? When was the last time? Because I lost the drive to make love. You didn't even notice. This is not the marriage of pain.
And you think this is somehow my fault? No, you think this is my fault in a certain way? You are hardly ever at home. You're so busy with work. When was the last time you spent like a whole month in this house? And somehow I'm to blame for everything. You left me alone. I was all by myself. All I had was my computer. What do you expect me to do? Go out there and start talking to some random girls or women out there? I sit down in front of my system and focus on my work. And then now you turn around and then you're blaming me for the inadequacies in our marriage?
The little time we have to spend in this house, what do you do, Kamso? All you do is that you're focused on your system and that's all that matters to you. Is that your wife? I'm your wife, Kamso. And I have emotional needs.
Sarah, you should find a balance between work and life. You know why? Because the same way you need me to be a husband to you is the same way I need you to be a wife to me. Okay?
Where is the Kamsuchi that I got married? Where is he? Where is he? This is not the marriage of... This is...
Zara, it's okay. It's fine. Look, I'm sorry. Okay? I know that this is a very hard... I know this is very difficult for you. I will fix it. I promise. Okay? I promise.
Hi, Dad.
Hello, baby. Come sit with me, darling. Look at you. Mwah. You look so stunning.
Daddy. Where's Mom?
Mom, honey, my daughter is here.
Okay. Dad, I'll just get right to it. I'm not staying here long.
What is it?
Dad,
Spill it.
about the AMG project management deal I told you about. I lost it.
Yes, you did. You told me about that.
Dad, I really want this. Dad, it's going to boost my company's portfolio. Imagine being the project management team to one of the leading real estate companies in Nigeria. That this new project they are having is estimated to be about 30,000 buildings on 2,000 hectares of land.
Wow.
It's huge, Dad. It's really going to boost my company's profile. I want this. Do something.
Well, Mom.
Kamso is definitely taking care of you because, honey, you glow.
Thank you, Mommy. But I see you too now. That is really, really taking care of you.
Yes,
Yes,
she's shopping my money.
Look at it. Please don't start.
Well, Zara,
So,
remember I told you that my friend Lawrence had sold off all his shares in AMG and that it would be difficult now to convince the new shareholders. But since you really want this deal, I'm sure I will have to talk to Lawrence again. I'm sure there must be a way we can get to convince the shareholders. So for you.
thank you, Dad. Thank you. Thank you so much. I really want this.
You always get whatever you want from your father. Sometimes I wonder who is actually the wife between both of us.
Mom!
Am I sensing jealousy? It doesn't suit you. It doesn't suit you.
Anyway, darling, She told me how much this AMG deal means to her. Whatever you can do to help her get it, please do.
Huh. So wait. It's a conspiracy,
Oh,
Abby.
God, I just only briefed Mom.
Okay, I see. But something else. You see your mother here? Hmm? When I first met your mother, I fell in love with her. And I knew that I had to do the right thing to keep that love. So I married her legally. I did not need anybody to convince me or push me to do the right thing. Because getting married legally is the right thing to do. So I don't understand why you and Kamso are toying with that very vital step. Or is it because I allowed you to move into his house? Or don't you know that I can change that now, I can reverse it?
No, Dad. I'm sorry, Dad. It's not like that. Kamso and I have always been having this conversation. It's just that we both run very busy schedules. That's what's been holding us.
Look, I ran a busier schedule when I was your age. So stop making excuses.
Okay. Okay, Dad. Okay. Once I get home tonight, I promise you, I will speak with Kamso and we'll get a date for you very soon.
That's my girl. Pick a date. Get back to me.
All right, Dad. I have to start going. Please
Okay.
don't forget my AMG deal.
You're my darling.
Mom, your husband.
Okay, darling.
Thank you, Mom.
Tell Kamso to take what your father said very seriously.
Okay, I will. I will.
Do you have soup?
Mom, don't worry. Please.
Yeah, well, the issue stems from a misconfigured reverse proxy. I'm trying to see what I can do to fix that. Hello, are you there? Well, I'm actually trying to navigate the server block in the configuration file and ensure that the proxy pass directive is pointing correctly to the upstream server. Can I call you back?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, baby!
All right.
Oh my god, baby! Let's just see this! Oh my god, baby! I got the deal! I got the deal! Oh my god, I'm so happy! I got the AMG deal, baby!
My goodness, this is huge!
Yes, I did it!
Congratulations!
God did it, baby!
Oh, congratulations, honey. This is huge. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you!
And I love you so much, Kamso. Thank you so much for standing by me.
Come on.
I don't know what my life would have been without you.
I love you too, babe. Come on. I'm always going to be here for you, okay?
Thank you, baby.
By the way, it says here that you get to handle 40% of the portfolio.
Oh, yes, the other firm handles 60% of it. But baby, this is a major win. We're a startup and we get to handle 40% of this huge deal from AMD. Oh my God. Baby, this is...
I agree. It actually is huge. Imagine the turnover both in revenue and clientele. It's big.
Okay. Baby, the email says I have to be in Lagos in 2 days.
Okay.
And so I have to be there for about 65 days. Yes, for the business conference, purchase of equipment, startup, press briefing, everything together. And don't worry, once the project commences, I'll be back home to my baby.
But that's like 2 months.
I miss you too.
Look, honestly, I can't wait for our business as well, our firms, to become self-sufficient to the point where you personally don't have to handle everything by yourself or be there present for anything to happen.
But for now, let's put in the work.
Yes. I can't wait till we get out of this country. I mean, being abroad, everything is going to be easier, more convenient, and work better for us.
Come on, baby.
I'm
Let's
just
celebrate this
saying.
for now.
Speaking of celebration, have you told your dad about this?
Oops, wait. Just hold on. Dad! Then I got the deal, the AMG deal. Daddy. Yes, I got 40%. Dad, it's fine. Thank you so much. Oh,
Daddy, I love you so much. I love you. Oh my God.
So where do you go from here?
I have to stop by the office. I have a few things undone. You?
I'm going to the house. I need to pick up Zara. Drop her off at the airport. She has business in Lagos.
Pick Zara up. Airport. Look, when do you all have real time? I mean, real time to enjoy your own marital bliss? For real, which one is airport and work? What's going on?
Bro, she's a very busy woman, okay? She only has a few days break every now and then. And even in those few days breaks, whenever time reaches me, I get other things that you do. But I'm sure we'll find a balance eventually.
Look, you guys, I don't envy you guys 1 second. 1 second. Look, she's a woman regardless. She needs time put in. Look, you're a tech guy now. Most of your work is work from home. Any other assignment you have when she's busy like this, send it to another person. Let the person do it. You know, so you have time for her. You need to spend time. It can't be like that they preach. But I'm just trying.
Marcus, I don't hear you. We'll work on it, okay? I promise. I'm sure we'll figure it out.
That bad guys are in the city.
I don't hear
you think you're the only finest?
Marcus, I don't hear you now.
No shaking.
Don't worry, I'm sure we'll figure it out very soon.
I can't go to divorce court. I can't be witness for any divorce.
We go find way. No worry.
Okay, drop me at the estate gate. I'll find cab.
No, go see for weekend now.
There are sharp guys that are better than you outside.
What?
What was that?
Hold on, just stand there. Ladies and gentlemen, she's even more beautiful when she's frowning.
Please stop, Joe.
I'm sorry now.
You said you're not going to be long.
I'm sorry, it was Marcus. There was so much to catch up on. I apologize.
Get the 2 boxes, that's your punishment.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And babe, please, try to come back home over the weekends when you're free.
Say please.
Please.
Again.
Please.
I didn't hear you.
Please.
Thank you. Okay, just help me. Oh, thank you very much. Hey, babe.
Hey, babe. I arrived at the hotel, right?
Yes, I just got in now.
Well, that was fast.
I was even wondering. It seems Lagos traffic was on vacation.
Anyway, get some good food, please, okay? Don't do junk. Eat real food.
But junk is not bad now.
I know, but actual food first.
Okay. Bye.
I love you too.
Let me, Joe. I'm missing you already. Okay, no, let me just settle in. I'll call you back.
Sure, take your time.
Good day all. We are the executives representing AMG Properties, and I think there will be no need for us to introduce ourselves as we've met over time. But it is pertinent to let the representatives of the 2 companies that will be handling our project management to introduce themselves to us.
Thank you very much. Good day, everyone. I am Jamie Adams, Chief Operating Officer, Managing Director of POP Project Limited. And on behalf of the management and staff of POP Projects Limited, I express our profound appreciation for this collaboration with AMG. And this is indeed the 5th in 7 consecutive years. And we cannot be more delighted to be having these collaborations. Thank you very much.
So, let's have it.
Good day, everyone. My name is Miss Jones, Zara Jones. I am the CEO and team lead for Astral Business Holdings. This is our first, and I hope of many collaborations and partnerships with AMG Properties. Thank you.
As I presume, we all are aware of the uncompromising standard of building we sell in AMG, and that for us, efficiency and timeliness comes first in our core value. So let's begin.
Hello? Why would you cancel the trip? Okay, why would you say I should cancel after keeping me waiting for over 15 minutes? What is wrong with you Lagos drivers? What's all this?
Hello?
Oh, hi.
Yeah, hi. Is there anything the problem?
Oh, no, nothing. Nothing to worry about.
You sure?
Yeah, very sure. There's nothing to worry about. I'm good.
Okay then.
All right, thank you.
But I could drop you off, you know.
No. I already am booking a ride. And...
We are just competitors, not sworn enemies, for crying out loud. Let me drop you off. Come hop in.
Are you sure?
Let's go, shall we? Come.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for the other day. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Oh, come on, it's nothing. I'm glad I could help, as a matter of fact. So, now that AMG chose to lodge 2 competitors in the same hotel, will I get the chance to drop you off now?
Well, it will be an honor, but I'll decline. I already ordered the ride earlier, and the driver is waiting downstairs. So.
Oh, fair enough. But you can cancel, can't you? No, don't say no. Do not refuse this innocent offer from a harmless competitor. Please.
Okay.
All right then. Astral Business Holdings. That's a gorgeous name for business, huh? Tell me more about it.
Well, it's a business I started out of my love for project management. And then after school, I registered it as a limited liability company. And it's been 5 years, and voila.
Wow. Amazing, isn't it? Turning passion into business kind of thing, huh? Amazing. You're a genius.
Thank you.
Unlike those of us who inherited our late father's investment.
I'm aware. But truth be told, you've not done bad for yourself. Look at the track record, the things you've done with this company. It's very impressive.
Well, thanks for the kind words, but you're aware? How come?
It's not a crime to dig up a thing or two about your competition, is it? Right?
Definitely not. Someone's been snooping around. But it's all good, as I say. Yeah, but I'm thoroughly impressed by you.
Thank you.
Miss Jones!
Hey, Lolade.
This one you're calling me is Kamso out of town. How may I help you, ma'am?
Oh, Kamso has not been available all afternoon. I just can't get hold of him. Lolade, I'm worried. I just need someone to talk to.
What is the matter? Talk to me. That is it.
I have my very first presentation with AMG in a few days. And my pitch deck is not even coming out the way I want it to. I don't know. I'm tired. I'm worried. I don't even seem to have confidence in myself. Lolade, this is the biggest deal in my career. I can't afford to mess it up.
Come on, Zara. We believe in you. You're smart and talented. And I know this is about your competitor's track record, but to truly achieve success, you must ignore all the voice that is telling you that your competition is bigger than you. A quick tip is, look into their success history and pick a few things that works for them. Zara, you're stronger and more capable than you can imagine. Self-doubt has never held you back. Embrace your confidence and shine like the star that you are.
My friend. Thank you so much, Lolade. I know I could count on you. I really appreciate this. You really lifted my spirit. God bless you. Thank you so much.
I'm glad this helps. Now, get to work, girl.
Sure. Okay, thank you, babe. Have a nice afternoon.
You too. Bye.
Well done, sir.
Yeah, man. Can I get some fuel?
Yes. How much, sir?
15,000.
Okay. Current to savings?
Current. Sure. What's the matter?
It's not good, sir. Poor connection, sir.
Poor connection. I try again now.
Current or savings?
Current, please. There you go.
First. Same thing, sir. It's not working.
Anyway, could you go on with the sales? I'll do a transfer instead.
Oh, I'm very sorry, sir. We don't accept transfers. I'm very sorry. We don't accept transfers.
You don't accept transfers. Why?
This is management's decision, sir.
What lousy management decision?
I'm sorry, sir. That's
no, it
what-
declined. You were here, so what am I supposed to do?
Sir, it is the management's
But
policy.
I need fuel. Hold on. I want to get fuel, and then the car declined. And then he's saying, I told him I was going to do transfer instead. He said they don't accept transfer. Some lousy management decision.
You can't blame the young man. He's just doing his job. How much fuel are we talking about?
15,000.
Okay, hold on. Let me. Let's just go.
Please come and sell fuel for me, please. You're turning your back on me.
I'm
you're
very
not,
sorry, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Oh.
2 weeks? 2 weeks is a very long time. See, I have a presentation in a few days, so this design should be ready max 3 days.
I understand, man. But that's the time I can really have the time to do it.
See, I don't mind paying extra. I really need these designs, please.
I can't promise what I cannot deliver. Thank you, man.
Oh. Who?
Jamie? Hi.
Hi, Mr. Jimmy.
Oh, come on. Jamie will be fine.
Oh, Jimmy.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. Here for the fuel the last time.
Oh, come on. I wasn't expecting a payback.
And we didn't say it was a gift either. So,
You've been very helpful these past weeks. To and fro, free rides to the meetings. How about this? Just the least I could do.
fair enough. Well, thank you. So, how's your pitch deck coming?
Oh, great. Like, I'm pumped up for the presentation, but
Amazing.
will it be rude if I ask how you found out my room?
Come on. It's a very small hotel, isn't it?
Okay, please. Is it?
No.
Is it?
I was wondering if you might need help with the graphic design. I'm fantastic at it, you know.
Good for you, but I'm all good. I'm all pumped up. My designs are ready. Everything is fine. Don't worry.
You sure?
Very sure.
Z.
I have it all covered. In fact, I was just walking.
Z, listen. Why are you... I mean, I could help you. I'm very good at it. And most importantly, I am willing to help.
Okay, just a little.
So?
Just a little.
Huh?
All right.
So, shall we? Let's
Now?
get to it. You can never be clever enough for Lagos traffic. It must humble you.
I really wonder how you guys cope in this Lagos. Get out of the way!
I just don't get this lunacy.
20 minutes.
What?
I'm serious.
For real? Brace up, we're off.
I am ready, please. But just take it easy, I beg.
No. We have to. We need to. 20 what? Let's go.
We have less than 20 minutes to go.
That's why I told you. And so the quality of construction materials utilized by POP Construction Limited on this project promises not just durability, but it is also cost effective. In addition to that, it comes with a guarantee period of 50 solid years. And having partnered with the likes of B&B Construction PLC, one of the largest construction companies in sub-Saharan Africa, and the likes of Magdalo Telecommunications PLC, one of the largest telecommunications companies in North Africa. And of course, not to mention our dear AMG Construction Limited. We can safely say that we guarantee perfect excellence in delivery as long as this project goes. And as we continue to extend our hand of friendship and integrity in partnership, I assure you nothing but continuous excellence as far as this partnership is concerned. I'd like to thank you all for your time and attention. Thank you very much.
Good day, everyone. I'm Ms. Jones, Zara Jones, and as you all know, I am the CEO and team lead for Astral Business Holdings. This is our very first project with your multinational company, AMG Properties. With your goal to deliver this project in 24 months, I assure you on behalf of Astral Business Holdings that we will once again actualize our mission statement. We deliver excellence in project management. With our unwavering commitment to detailed architecture and infrastructure, this collaboration will bring about innovation in your real estate business. And we will execute this project with precision and make sure that this project is successful on time and within budget. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
My name is Zara Jones. I am the team lead for Astral.
It's not the job! Wasn't how I really sounded? It's not true.
Well, that's how you sounded.
It's not true.
Okay, how did you sound? Tell me. Let's hear it. How did you sound?
My name is Zara Jones. I'm the team lead for Astral Project. What?
You sound like a baby.
Please, I know I sounded way better than what you're representing.
Well. Let me make you happy. Let's pretend you did very well.
I did.
We actually did. I
did. Oh, and anyway, all thanks to you. Thank you so much for helping me with the designs.
Did this help?
Yes.
I'm sending you my invoice. Get ready to pay. I'm waiting for the alert.
Story. Come on, collect now. You. Oh, mega. What are friends for?
Oh, well.
That's not my friend.
Oh, well, friends, this is professional service. Who renders professional service for free?
No, JV,
in this world,
don't
try me, don't try me.
Oh, yeah, we are capable. Send your invoice. We are capable. Send it.
I hear you.
Really,
right.
thank you so much.
No
you
problem.
really came through for me.
No problem. Anything for you.
Thank you. It's a good day though. Hey baby, guess what? Yes, now I aced my presentation.
I'm so proud of you, baby.
Oh, thank you, baby. Thank you so much. How are you?
Well, I just ate lunch.
Oh, my baby cooks for himself now. Don't worry, Mama will be home soon and I'll take good care of you, okay?
I'll be fine. I miss you so much.
Miss you too, baby. Okay, babe, why don't I come home this weekend? Then I'll return on Monday for the final meeting with AMG before the project execution begins.
Well, that makes sense. So, first flight on Friday?
No, just no. I just have a few things to tidy up. Let's make it first flight on Saturday morning. That works.
All right, then. See you soon, baby.
See you soon.
I love you.
I love you, Council.
Hey, Z.
Hi.
Where are you headed to?
I'm going home. I went to Abuja. I'll spend some time with my husband.
Oh, wow. Such a lucky man he is.
Oh, thank you.
You know, Zara, from the first time I saw you, I liked you. And when I got closer to you, I discovered even more intriguing things about you. And I said to myself, if you weren't married, I would have asked you to be mine. But I guess life happens, doesn't it?
Yeah, life happens. Where are you coming from?
Well, I went to play soccer, football.
Whoa, I never pictured you like someone who does play football.
Why not? Don't I look fit enough? I play football. I'm very good at it, you know, but for recreational purposes.
Okay.
But I'm still very good at it.
Footballer, graphics designer, serial entrepreneur. What else do we add to the portfolio to balance it out?
You know you are my hype woman. I'm going to hire you. You can ask Google what to add, by the way.
I'll take it up on that.
Good luck on that one.
Thank you.
All right, so you take care, and regards to your family.
Sure.
Bye.
Thank you, Jane.
Hold on.
Hey, baby.
Honey.
I missed you so much, baby.
Welcome home. Hi. So I made your favorite.
Like you made Amara and Ibedilo?
Yeah, sure.
Who taught you?
Oh, you did. Plus, I got some help from YouTube. So.
That's a say. Thank you so much. Thank you, baby. Thank you.
Welcome. So much. Okay, let's go eat. Let's go eat.
Let me just shower first.
Okay.
It's okay.
What's so funny? What are you laughing about?
Oh, sorry. It's Lola Day. It's Lola Day. Yes, she's just being silly.
It's been a while you spoke about her. How is she doing?
Oh, what? She's good. She's good.
Just give her my regards, okay?
Yeah, sure. I'll just be upstairs. I'll be... Okay.
Honey. I'm tired, okay? I need to sleep.
You've been working all morning. I thought you actually came in here to spend some time with me.
Babe, I'm sorry, okay? I've been staring at the computer all day. My eyes hurt. I need to close them and just rest and just catch a break for a few hours, please.
I did not come from Lagos to come and watch you sleep now. What's all this one now? You should make out some time for me now, come so.
Babe, I hear you, 100% I do, but we're young, we're energetic. Now is the time for us to work hard, focus and get all the financial stability that we can while we're still young.
Come so, life is not all about building wealth now. Life is about this building memories and also making out time for the people you love. What's all this one now? You're frustrating me.
Honey, I'm sorry. Okay, tonight. I promise you. Babe. I promise you tonight, okay? Tonight.
Hey, Jamie.
Hey, Z, what's up now?
How are you?
Good. Just savoring the polluted, smoky atmosphere over here in Lagos.
Funny. But that's one good thing about Abuja, though. The clean air, the serenity,
I know, right? But unfortunately, 200 million Nigerians can live in Abuja, so...
You have a point, though. Jamie, were you serious about that comment you made that if I were single, you'd ask me out?
Of course, yes, Zara. You know how to balance work and family, despite the time-consuming and demanding nature of your job. Look at all you've accomplished within the last few years. You launched your company and it is flying, like literally flying. And you're a kind woman too. Remember the last time you gave me 15K to fuel my car?
You had to chip that in.
Of course I had to chip that in. Come on now. Your husband is extremely blessed to have you as his wife.
Thank you very much, Jamie. I can't remember the last time I got such accolades.
Oh, really? Then I should charge you a token for that then.
Here we go. So tell me about yourself. You're married. Yet to say if I were single, you would have asked me out. I guess men will always be men.
Long story, but I'll keep it brief. When I was married, I lost my wife 2 years ago to heart disease, 4 years into our marriage. She left me with Olivia, our only child.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Jamie. I'm so sorry about that. I'm so sorry. I didn't know. I'm sorry for making you dig up. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It hasn't been easy, but we get by. We're getting by it.
Why do you still wear your wedding band?
It's really hard to find love since she passed. It's been really, really tough.
I totally understand. Okay. Bye. Babe, are we going back to Lagos tomorrow?
I know, honey, and I miss you already.
I miss you too. I'm already missing you. I want us to spend more time together.
I agree, but we do have to be intentional about it, I'm just waiting for my Canadian visa to come out, and then we can just get legally married so that I can bring you over as a dependent.
Can we just leave that conversation and just enjoy the moment?
I mean, this is important, okay? It's about our future.
We can always think about the future later.
Honey, this is also very important, okay? This is about our future.
Sorry. Hi, Mr. Jamie. I'm actually very busy right now with my husband. Can we talk some other time?
Yeah, sure. Bye.
All right, bye.
Why'd you put your phone on silent?
Oh, the whole ring out, it just disgusts me and I just want to focus and...
And that Mr. Jamie guy, why is he calling you by this time of the night?
Yeah, there's this presentation we're supposed to do together. So maybe he wants an information or something. I don't know. I have no idea.
All right, okay.
Hey, Jamie.
Hi, what's up, Z?
I'm back.
Oh, okay. Welcome. Hope you came with some kilishi and furao.
Why don't you come here and find out? Or are you busy?
All right. Okay, I'll be there right away.
All right.
As you have received via mail, the board and entire staff members of AMG Properties are very impressed with the addition of both Astra Business Holdings and Pop Project Limited. So it gladdens us to know that our estate management project is in safe hands.
Yeah, an initial deposit of 50% of the money has been deposited in the company's accounts. We hope the project commences soon.
Definitely.
Thank you, Mr. Adams.
Much appreciated, sir. Thank you.
Mrs. Jones, it's an honor to have you.
So, what next?
Going home. I've been too far away from my husband. I should go home and spend some time with him. Come on, Jamie. Don't be like that. I'll come back soon to you. Jamie, you make everything make sense. I don't know why I'm doing this with you. It's all shades of wrong, but at the same time, it feels so right.
I feel the same way too. Zara, it's as if the universe conspired to bring us both together. In you I found love. Love
Love so strong. Love so profound. Love I've never thought. I've never dreamt. But you're married.
I love my husband. I think I'm going crazy, Lalade. My body does not respond to Kamso's touches any longer. I don't want to sound absurd, but after I had complained severally and there was no change or response from him, I think my body just adjusted. But Jamie, Jimmy makes it all make sense. He's everything I want in a husband. Am I crazy?
Yes. Yes, you are. In fact, you are not. What is this? This is absurd. Listen to me. I understand this feeling, but trust me, it's not real. It's all infatuation. It is not real.
I love him.
No, you don't. You don't love him.
Love him.
Listen, it's high time you drop the ball on this Jimmy guy or whoever he is. Block this guy everywhere. In fact, don't stop talking to this guy. Have you had sex with this guy? Zara!
Yes.
Oh my God.
Let me now show you the reason why I am the champion in this house.
Now that's a superstar player.
Okay, well, in that case, if you insist, let me show you why I am forever the champion.
Well, I'm feeling sleepy.
You're trying to run away, huh?
No, Joe. Let me just catch some sleep.
Okay, fine. If you want to sleep, go and sleep. Oh, I will be here. Sleep. Once you are done, the champion is going to be here waiting for you.
Make mouth.
Love you, babe.
Love you, Cam. Hey, Jenny. I got your message. What was it you said you wanted to tell me?
I miss you, Zara. A minute hasn't gone by without your thoughts crossing my mind.
Jamie, I'm loving you as the day goes by, but this is not right. Please, Jamie, help me. It's dangerous. Please, just stop.
No, it's not dangerous. Does being with me make you happy? Does it? Does it?
Yes, but I'm...
Then that's all that matters. Our happiness, Zara.
Hey, you're really running temperature. What's going on? Are you okay?
No, I caught a fever, I think.
Oh, I'm so sorry. So should I get you paracetamol so that just drink it tonight and tomorrow we can take you to the hospital or something?
No. I already took some this evening. Let's just watch it then tomorrow.
I'm so sorry, hon. I'm so sorry. Sorry, man.
Babe, let's sleep. No, let's sleep. Just hold this phone. Let's sleep.
I'm coming. Just calm down a bit. Let me just, I'm doing something here. I'm just trying to finish it up. Once I'm done. Hey.
Hey, babe.
What's up? What's up?
I'm good. I have to be in Lagos tomorrow.
You said you were here for like 2 weeks, but you've only been around for 5 days.
Something came up. It's urgent. In the project, it requires my attention. I have to be there.
What about your health? Your temperature?
I'm fine. See. I'm breathing. If anything comes up, I'll visit the hospital in Lagos. I'm fine for now. Okay. I'm good.
Okay. Well, in that case, before you go, can you please make me breakfast?
Really? What would you like to have?
Yeah, with that sauce you usually make for me.
Let me just get to it.
Thank you, babe.
Zara, tears won't solve any problem. You don't realize how happy this makes me. Why we don't have a baby together?
Jamie, I can't have a child for you. I'm a married woman. I want my husband together.
But you love me too.
Oh God, I'm crazy. I'm definitely crazy. Are you listening to yourself? Okay. Oh God. Hey, how did I get here?
Listen, Zara, you need to trust me. I make you a solemn promise this moment that whatever arises as a result of this, I am willing to stand by you. Whatever this situation throws at us, I am ready to risk it all. But I beg you, please, Zara, keep this baby. Please.
Jamie, I can't. I love you, but I can't have this child. Hey, yeah.
Good morning, babe.
Hey, babe.
How are you doing today?
I'm fine. Wait, can I call you back? I'm trying to sort out something here.
Sure. Call me once you're free, okay?
Alright, I will. I love you.
Sure. Call me once you're free, okay?
So how are you feeling? Any pains, discomforts?
I'm just dizzy.
I'm sorry I put you through all this.
It's fine. But aren't you supposed to be on site? Checking out the materials your supplier brought.
That can wait. Work can wait. You first.
Thank you. I'm so sorry I had to get out. I know how much you wanted to have a baby with me. Sorry.
Well, I totally understand. What can I do?
Honestly, something's going on with Zara. I'm not sure what it is, but she doesn't like to spend as much time with me anymore. And whenever work calls, she just takes off.
You caused it. Yes, now, brother, you caused it. All this your nonchalant attitude. I'm sure it has reached her here. You know Zara herself don't like stress. She's looking for her own peace.
Okay. But everything I do is for us now. It's for our future. It's for the betterment of the both of us, the family we are going to raise.
I understand, my brother, but look, She's a woman. You know, she needs touch. You need to intensify on your being there for her, not just... You need to intensify on that one too now.
Man, thank you. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it.
Hey, come. How for that Canada worker?
You know work, oh, my brother. No work. But I found a scholarship for my master's degree, so I'm working on that.
Look, to be candid with you, why don't you just grow your family, have the kids, you know, create that structure properly. Then you could have a proper vacation with your family. Yeah.
You think I'm going to just give up like that? Nah, man, I can't. I've been sailing for so long, I'm very sure that the shore is not far off anymore.
Once you've looked front, you don't need to look back. You know you don't need to hear anybody in this. So I've left you. I've removed my hand. Come, do you have any food inside this house so we can eat before I go?
Yeah, Zara made one yam and sauce like that before she took off.
Zara made yam and sauce. The same Zara that you told me that she's feeling feverish. You let her cook. Bro, you have no game. No game. I didn't teach you well. In fact, don't even tell anybody that I taught you anything.
You go shop, Abi. You go shop.
Yes, I'll eat, please. I'm home. Small. I'm on diet.
Okay.
Seriously, I'm on diet now. I'm doing like 4 push-ups a day. 4. A whole 4. See, real 4. Sometimes, maybe 2, but my max is 4.
Here we are. Welcome to my pigsty.
You really have a beautiful piece here. Like, it's so fine.
Thank you for the kind words.
Yes, and it's also enough space for us to plan your birthday party.
Oh, that.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I might consider that when the time comes. In the meantime, why don't you sit?
Thank you.
Relax yourself before I show you around. It's nice to have you here.
Jamie, thank you very much for everything you do for me. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
I wish I met you earlier in life.
Can you spend the rest of your life with me, Sarah?
It's not that easy. I can, but there's this huge clause. I like what we have. Don't get me wrong, as much as I enjoy it, I still love my husband. I don't want people to shame me and curse me out that I'm jumping to another man while my husband is still alive.
Well, if you're bothered about what people will say, why don't we relocate abroad? Away from their negative energies and comments. Huh? I love you, Zara.
Jamie. Okay, can we go and plan your birthday party?
Yes, boss. So what are you thinking? Like I told you, I said earlier, I don't want anything elaborate.
Just a few friends, a few drinks, just a few, nothing elaborate.
Yeah, the economy is hitting hard. Not that I'm a stingy man.
Stop it, Jamie, come on. With all the money you have.
You don't get it. We have to be prudent.
I just want to use this opportunity to apologize for not coming for this planning the whole time.
Kamso, that is because you do not hold the Johnson family in high esteem.
What? Daddy, no. The only reason I took so long was because I was waiting for the time when Zara and I were just about to relocate abroad. You know, but now that I am writing this scholarship exam, it's looking like everything is going to, work, and that's why I'm here.
Kamso,
Ma.
you know you're my son. But you took too long to come and have this conversation. You got my husband infuriated.
I'm sincerely sorry. I apologize. I promise that I will make this work. In earnest.
Okay. Let us know when you are ready. And Kamso, do it in earnest, as you said.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, Daddy. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. Is Zara back?
No, she'll be back in 3 weeks.
Oh, okay. That's fine. So, let me get you something to eat then.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you all for coming. Birthday boy, you're now a year older, but you must still respect us, your elders. See, 1 year no be beans, 1 year no be beans. So please, before we cut the cake, let's have a moment for the celebrant speech. Ladies and gentlemen, join me to welcome my guy, my buddy of life, my buddy from the days of $1 to the days of ₦1. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Jamie Adams.
You know you're a very naughty guy. You know you're a naughty guy. I mean, they talk to like that. I should respect you. Man, $1 to ₦1. When was that? That was like in the Middle Ages. You were wondering this. Anyway, guys, from the very depth of my heart, I'd like to say a very big thank you to everyone. Thank you for turning up. Thank you for honoring me. Showing honor to whom honor is due, like the scripture admonishes. Now I'm sounding like your local pastor. But really, I'm very honored to have you guys here today, and I believe that everyone's had the time of their life.
Oh yeah.
But most importantly, I'd love for us to give a special thank you to someone who's very special in our midst.
Wow.
Here tonight. Someone I can best describe as a priceless jewel, a woman of virtue, a woman whose heart is made out of pure gold.
You're going somewhere.
Yes, indeed, I am. And it might interest you also to know that she is the brain behind tonight's festivities. Ladies and gentlemen, please, without further ado, I'd like you to say a very big thank you and give a cheer to the drop-dead gorgeous, the most delectable, Zara.
Wow.
Come, sweetie, come.
Okay. Thank you.
Zara, from the very depth of my heart, I would like to thank you for everything that you have been to me in these past few weeks. You came into my life at a point where life has lost its meaning and taste. But you came in and you changed all that because you have some pure energy like nothing else I've ever felt. You are the strongest and closest thing to heaven I've ever known. And at this moment, I'd love to ask you, Zara, would you be mine forever?
Wow.
Zara, would you marry me?
Zara, say yes.
Say yes. Say yes, Zara.
Come on, please.
Say
Please
yes.
say
Say
yes.
yes, Zara.
Say yes. Come on.
I'm not gonna get up until you say yes.
Come on, Zara. Zara, come on.
Wow, congratulations.
Wow.
Jamie, that was public humiliation. I am married. I'm married. Why do you want me to explain this? Okay, what if someone who knows Kamso and I was there today in the party? What were you? How do I? And to think that you even proposed with the exact same type of ring that I wear. What's your reason for dragging me into this? What?
My reason was...
I don't care about your reason, Jamie! I don't care! You're trying to ruin my life! You're putting my life in jeopardy!
I love you, Zara. I want you to be with me forever. Yes. I proposed with the exact same ring because I didn't want to have issues wearing it. I want the very best for us both at all times.
Jamie, I am married, like very married. Don't you understand? How do you want me? I love my husband. Kamso may have his shortcomings, no doubt, but I love him. I want you to always remember that. I can't deal with this.
I thought I found that one person who would love me truly and dearly since she passed. You came into my life at a point where it was at its lowest ebb. You promised me love, Zara, and love you showed me. So were you stringing me along all this while? Were you?
Jamie.
I used to bother about what people would say. But then I realized that our lives must not be measured by the validation or the opinions of others. And that to truly live, we must free ourselves from the prisons of human and societal validations.
Jamie.
Yes, we must. We must, Zara.
Babe?
Mm-hmm.
Can I talk to you about something?
Yeah, sure. What's the problem? What's going on? Babe, it's okay. You can tell me whatever it is. Talk to me. What's it?
Okay, is this about the EMG deal?
Okay, hold on. Is this about our legal wedding? Honey, if that's what is bothering you, I'm sorry if you think I'm stalling. I'm not. Okay? I promise you. I've already spoken to I've had a meeting with your father. Very soon, once I'm ready, we'll get it done, huh? Talk to me. What is it? Oh, baby, come here. Come here.
Hey, Jamie.
Hey, babes, what's up?
I'm good. How have you been?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm just missing you.
I miss you too.
You're home alone?
Not really. My husband, he's in the living room, and as usual, minding his business.
So you're just home and bored?
No, not exactly. I'm fine, I'm good.
Well, Olivia will be home this weekend, and she's dying to meet you, believe me.
Oh, Olivia. How about I come over the weekend? Is that okay? Okay, that's fine then.
Then, one day, Magic Princess was walking on a lonely path. She found a dying puppy. She carried it to the house, fed the puppy, and helped the puppy. Then the owner of the puppy came looking for its puppy. Magic Princess brought out the puppy, and then the puppy ran out waggling its tail.
Wow. Magic Princess was sincere enough to return the puppy back to its owner.
Yeah, and then the puppy owner gave the Magic Princess some magic. That is when she got the name Magic Princess.
The story teaches us about honesty and selflessness, right?
Thank you. Auntie Z, let me tell you a story about the jellyfish.
Baby?
Tell me.
Thank you. Auntie Z, let me tell you a story about the jellyfish.
Okay. Baby. That's enough story for today, okay?
But Daddy, Auntie Z enjoyed my story.
Exactly. Don't mind Daddy. Daddy is just jealous that two ladies are enjoying the company of each other.
You're right. Oh, come on. You know what? On the contrary, I am here to announce to you ladies that the world's best chef is done doing magic in the kitchen. And here's an invitation for you ladies to join me at the dining for this rare privilege.
It's always the pride for me. As though you're the only man that can cook.
But we are rare.
Oh, please.
Where you see better man? Domesticated man.
Olivia, darling, should we support this man and go and eat his food? Or should we go to the kitchen and prepare ours?
Let's eat Daddy's food.
That's my princess. Baby, you know I can bet that you got me covered 24/7, 365, top to toe.
Oh,
that's my princess right there.
There's a family of hundreds. Let's go.
Come on, let's go, my baby.
Okay.
So, do we now agree that I am the best chef that ever lives?
Olivia, darling, do we agree?
Will you allow me to tell Auntie Z more stories? If I agree, you're the best cook.
Baby, I am not taking that bribe tonight. I am not, okay?
Oh, Daddy, but I want to tell more stories.
Olivia, baby, tomorrow, Daddy will go for work. Then it will be just you and I in the house. And you will tell me all the stories that you wanted. Right?
Yay, thank you, Auntie Z.
You guys are conspiring. This conspiracy is not going to work.
Daddy, when are Auntie Z going to live with us fully?
Baby, you want Auntie Z to start living with us fully?
Yes, Daddy.
So why don't we allow Auntie Z to answer the question herself?
Olivia, darling, you're done eating, right?
Yes.
Let's go and do the dishes. And after that, we'll go to the park and play piñata. Is that okay?
Yeah, I want to play piñata.
So let's go at the dishes. Daddy, are you done eating?
If you find happiness, sexual pleasure, and all the great things that you desire in a relationship with me, then why pretend to love your marriage? Why? When you can still call it quits and get married to the one that you truly love. I don't get you. Seriously, I don't, Zara.
are here to witness the legal union between Zara Johnson and Jamie Adams. But before we proceed, any one of you who has been legally married before should know that he or she is committing a crime punishable by law. And such person shall serve a 5-year jail term with the option of a fine, or you do both. Has any of you been legally married before? Are you sure?
Quite sure.
All right. Let it go. Can I have the rings, please? Just okay. So let's start from you, sir. Face up. And say after me. I, Jamie Adams.
I, Jamie Adams.
Take you, Zara Johnson.
Take you, Zara Johnson.
As my legally married wife.
As my legally married wife.
To care and to love.
To care and to love.
For better, for worse.
For better, for worse.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
Till death do us part.
Till death do us part.
Amen. You, ma'am. I, Zara Johnson.
I, Zara Johnson.
Take you, Jamie Adams.
Take you, Jamie Adams.
As my legally married husband.
As my legally married husband.
To care and to love.
To care and to love.
For better, for worse.
For better, for worse.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To death do us part.
Till death do us part. Amen.
You may kiss the bride.
If you are not here to tell me that you are ready to take our daughter to the marriage registry and to do the necessary, then leave.
Sir,
For how long will you continue to keep our daughter waiting? Do what is necessary. You keep coming up with flimsy excuses.
Honey.
No!
Take it easy. Your blood pressure. I do not blame you. I blame that stubborn girl that insisted on moving in with you right after the traditional wedding. You talk to these children and they do not listen.
But you have completely betrayed the trust that we kept in.
Daddy, Mom, I know how it may seem as though I betrayed the trust you have in me, but at the time I was just doing what I thought was right for my wife and I. However, now that things have finally started falling into place, I think I'm ready to do the needful.
I said, what do you mean I'm ready to do the needful?
I'm ready to legally marry Zara. But I need it to be a surprise.
Surprise?
Hello, Loladi. Hi.
Hello, Kamso.
Yeah, Kamso here. So, quick one. Do you, by any chance, know the name of the hotel where Zara is staying?
Yeah, but why are you not asking her yourself?
Well, it's a surprise.
Oh, okay. It's Immaculate Hotel and Resort. You can use your Google Map to locate it.
All right. Thank you very much.
Yeah, bye.
Babe. Babe, your phone is ringing. Your phone's ringing.
Maybe it's me. Hey.
Hey, baby.
Hey, what's up?
Guess who is at your hotel in Lagos right now?
Stop it. You're bad at comedy.
I'm being serious.
What?
Surprise!
Cancel. Right now, I'm not in the hotel. I stepped out for site inspection. Yes, site inspection. And
Okay, when would you be back?
Cancel, you didn't tell. Okay, just a few minutes. I'll just pack things up and just give me a few minutes.
All right.
What took you so long?
Traffic.
It's okay. Cool. Yeah.
Yes.
Well,
this is tasty. You made it yourself?
I did. I made it for you, and so I'm happy you like it.
I like it. I love it. It's tasty, like serious. I tried. Well, what kind of a man flies from Abuja to Lagos just to give his wife lunch?
The kind of man I am.
Stop being cute to me, Jerry.
Really? You really want me to stop?
This is nice.
Thank you.
You should have some.
Oh, no, babe, I'm good. Actually. I miss you.
Yes, I miss you too.
Oh, no, you don't understand. I really, really miss you. And I know that you've not been very happy with me because I'm not giving you the amount of attention that you require, but I promise you I'll fix it. Okay, and you know the best part of all of this?
No.
95% of our plans are done. We just need a little this and that and we're good to go.
Oh, wow. That's good news.
Right?
Yes.
Fantastic. Right. By the way, how are your projects going?
Oh, yes. It's fine.
It's fine. Eat your food.
Yes. Please, let's eat together.
I've already told you I've eaten now. Leave.
Okay, just...
Okay, I'll take one. You take one spoon, I'll take one spoon. How's that?
Yes, that works. Okay.
Babe? Babe? Zara?
Oh.
What is it?
Nothing. Fine.
Are you sure? Because you were like zoned out for God knows how long.
I'm fine. Just some random thoughts, but I'm fine.
Okay then.
Hey, what's up?
Oh, I'm fine. Listen, babe, I'd like for you to come to Abuja tomorrow. There's something I need to show you.
What could that be?
It's a surprise.
Okay. B, what's this surprise that I have to get dressed and you will now want to put a blindfold on me? What is it about?
No, as if I wanted out. Surprise.
Okay. Oh. B. I mean, okay, I think you should be in front of me. Just, okay. What's crazy?
Yes. Surprise! What's going on?
Well, Kamso has decided to do the needful, so yeah, at the registries. What happened? Babe, what is it? What is it? Why?
Are you sick? Are you okay? My daughter.
Yes, your test result is out. And congratulations, you are 8 weeks gone. Congratulations.
What do you mean?
Mrs. Jones, I mean you are 8 weeks pregnant. You should be happy.
When? How? Oh, yes. Doctor, thank you, please.
Is anything the problem?
No, not at all. I want to plead with you. I know you're close to my husband, but please, don't tell him. No, at least not yet. You know, we agreed not to have children yet, so okay, I want to be the one to break the news.
Mrs. Jones,
I just
calm down, relax, breathe.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm fine. Like,
you do not look fine to me. You should be happy. You're pregnant.
I'm happy, but I want to be the one to tell him. Please.
Okay.
If I just tell him something, maybe
it's fine. I will allow you to tell your husband. But are you sure you do not want to tell me something?
No, please.
So are you back now?
Babe, I'm not back to the hotel. I quickly went to the mall to get something.
Okay, well, what about your health?
My health is fine. I'm okay.
The doctor says you should be resting, okay? Not running around. You should be taking care of yourself.
I'll be fine. I'm just about going back to the hotel and I'm on my way heading there.
You're not happy? You're not excited? Are you having concerns that I might deny the pregnancy? No!
Jamie, you don't get it. I am drowning. I'm lost. I'm confused. I'm crazy. Like, are you listening to yourself?
Babe, hold on. I thought we were good.
No, we're not. You are good. I am not. Jamie, what do I tell my husband?
You mean Kamso? Oh, come on. What does he care? Huh? What does he care? He's your husband. Yeah, but I'm your husband too. And I'm here to take responsibility for my child. Come on.
Please, Jamie. I can't. I can't keep living this lie. No, I love Kamso. I love my husband. Jamie, I'm so sorry.
Mrs. Zara, what do you mean you love Kamso? Do you recall when he abandoned you? When he forsook you, and in my arms you found comfort and solace. You found love. I rekindled your joy and happiness. You rediscovered happiness in life. And now you're giving me this? Mrs. Zara, I love you endlessly. Let's do this together. Let's leave this country and find love endlessly, away from all the troubles and all the cares of this godforsaken place. Please.
Jim, so sorry. I love my husband. I love Kamso, and I know he loves me too. I'm sorry.
You can't do this. You can't do this.
Kamso, please. Kamso, please. Kamso, please. Kamso, please. Please, Kamso, please. Perhaps I beg you. Kamso, please. Oh my God.
I knew you will be here.
Jerry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry I led you on. I'm sorry for everything. I don't know. Somehow I just felt it could be maybe a backup plan. I can't tell, but Jamie, I'm so sorry I led you. I'm so sorry. None of this is your fault. None of it. I'm sorry.
Have you ever wondered why I never remarried after the death of Olivia's mother? Has it ever crossed your mind?
Why?
Prostate cancer.
What?
Prostate cancer. And I found out soon after her death, and it has led to 5 previous unsuccessful relationships. The moment I tell them today, the next moment they're gone from me.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Jamie. Oh, why didn't you tell me? At least you should have confided in me.
Isn't it obvious why I didn't tell you? I didn't want to lose you. Isn't it?
I'm sorry, Jamie. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry you had to go through this. I'm sorry. Oh, hold on. That means you're not the father. You're not the father of my child. Julie, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You shouldn't be here.
I know I have lost every right to stand before you, but I beg you, just a moment, just hear me out, please, baby. Just hear me out, please.
5 minutes.
I know that my words are not enough to justify my actions or make them right. I've caused you pain. I've betrayed you. I've shattered the trust that we once shared. I don't even know how I fell into this terrible choice. Oh, baby, I want you to know that I regret my actions deeply. I love you, Kamso. I love us. I love what we share. I love our lives together. This is what I want for my life. I'm so consumed by the guilt of jeopardizing it all. Kamso, you're the best thing that happened to me. You're the best gift of life I've ever received. I don't even know how I threw it all away because of my selfish desires. Kamso, I'm sorry. I know I hurt you. But most importantly, baby, I'm sorry. Baby, I'm so sorry.
Time up.
So please, I'm sorry, beg you, just give me another chance. Just let's rebuild our trust.
I'm sorry. Sorry, let's just... I promise you, if you just give me this chance, maybe I'm gonna spend every day of my waking life proving to you that I'm the best. I could be better. Please, baby, please, I beg you. Please. I'm so pleased. You're everything to me.
What about the pregnancy?
It's us, baby. It's for you.
How?
Jamie, he has prostate cancer, so he cannot reproduce. I'm sorry. I'm so please. Don't throw me. I cannot survive. I can't live without you. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. He's like... I'm so sorry.